The plan for this series is simple and beginner-friendly. First, we'll demystify AI agents by breaking down complex ideas into plain language. Then, we'll introduce the best open-source tools and frameworks that make building agents easier and affordable. Next, we'll set up your development environment and walk through creating a simple AI agent step by step. You'll learn how to connect an AI model to tools like web search or calculators, and even how to give your agent memory so it remembers past actions. We'll finish with tips on expanding your agent and share resources to keep learning. Throughout this journey, we'll focus on keeping costs low by using free tiers, open libraries, and local setups wherever possible. No big budget needed. By the end of this series, you'll feel confident to experiment with AI agents on your own. The world of autonomous AI is evolving fast, but the core skills you'll gain will help you stay ahead and even innovate. Whether you're looking to boost personal projects or just curious about AutoGPT and similar tools, stick with us. We're about to make AI agents easy to understand and build, step by step, without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and start with the basics of how these agents actually work.